panoorin nyo to, yung America Tour ng banda Sweet Notes.
Let's go! Woo! Let's do the YMCA!
Ang taas ng energy ni Charlotte dito, no?
Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man, pick yourself on the ground. I said, young man, cause you knew when
Galing di sumayaw ni Charlotte.
in the town there's no need to be happy. Young man, there's your place you can go. I said, young man, when you start on the go, you can't stay there. You find many ways to have a good.
Grabe sumusuporta sa banda Sweet Notes dito sa Amerika. Ang dami rin talagang Pinoy na nakakakilala sa kanila dito.
Hey, 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 hey. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Nakakatuwang tignan yung mga audience. Nagsasayawan na. YMCA.
You have everything for your meal to enjoy. You can have it with all the boys. Fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Yung iba nahihiya. May mga nakaupo pa. Mahihiyain.
You can get us a weed. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man, what you do wanna.
Grabe talagang karisma ng bandang Sweet Notes. Kahit sa bansa sila magpunta talagang maraming tumatangkilik.
I said, young man, you can make your dreams real, but you got to know this one thing. No man does it all by myself. I said, young man, put your crown on a shelf and just.
Marami-rami na rin silang bansang napuntahan, no guys, no? Grabe yung kasikatan na nila. Umiikot na sila sa buong mundo.
Stay there, say the YMCA until they can have you today.
What time is it?
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You have everything for your.
Ibang klase talaga sumuporta ang Pinoy. Yung mga OFW doon talagang buhos yung suporta sa banda Sweet Notes.
To enjoy, you and hang up with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, I was.
Sa Pilipinas, halos nalibot na rin ang banda Sweet Notes eh. Marami na silang pinag-concertan ng mga probinsya. Pati sa Manila, Metro Manila.
Spontaneous juice, I said I was down and out with the blues. I felt no man, greater water a lot. I felt the whole world was so tight. That's when someone.
Ang alam ko nga sa MOA, nag-concert din sila, talagang sold out yung ticket doon. Talagang dinagsa ng tao.
Came up to me, I said, young man, take a walk up the street. There's a place there called the YMCA. They can start you back on your way. Come on. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Ayun no, dahil nagsasayawan sa harapan. Pati mga senior, yan doon eh. Talagang napapaindak.
You have everything for your meant to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get it so free. You can never get feel. You can do what I
Favorite din nilang kantahin to sa mga concert nila. Itong YMCA na to.
want you feel. YMCA.
One more time.
YMCA. Young man, there's no need to feel down. Young man.
Iba busy sa picture-picture. Binibidyong banda Sweet Notes. Para may remembrance din sila sa concert.
Pick yourself on the ground. YMCA.
One more time.
YMCA. Young man, I was once in your shoes.
Ganda ng gitara ni BJ dito. Ganda pa ng tunog.
Young man, I was done with the rules.
Palakpakan naman dyan! Woo! Hey, hey!
Grabe, solve na solve yung mga tao sa panonood. Napakahusay talaga ng banda Sweet Notes.